Who is excited to learn how to remove their dip powder? So today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your dip powder manicure using some stuff that you probably already have laying around your house, but if not, don't worry, they're pretty inexpensive. So in order to do this, the first thing you have to do is really just evaluate how your nails are. So for example, if you have a gel top coat on, you're going to want to file off the gel top coat before you do the following steps, because acetone will do like almost no damage to a gel top coat. So you're always going to want to file down a gel top coat. For these purposes, I don't have a gel top coat on, so I'm literally only going to use acetone, coconut oil, some hot water. You guys are about to see how I do my dip powder removal. Super easy. You're gonna need a bowl with some hot water in it. You can either use hot tap water or you can use water that's heated in the microwave for about a minute or two. This next part is optional, but I prefer to do it because I hate how acetone completely dries out my hands. So in order to maintain moisture in my hands, I actually add about a teaspoon of coconut oil to my acetone. You can use regular oil, whatever kind of oil you prefer, but I like coconut oil. You're going to need a kitchen teaspoon. You're going to need a ZIPLOCK bag. I have these ZIPLOCK bags from the dollar store. I think they're just regular ZIPLOCK bags, but the acetone does not melt the bag. I don't know how it does it, but it doesn't do it. You're also going to need some acetone. Make sure when you buy acetone, it's 100% pure acetone. If you're never sure and you're like, well, I don't know if it's pure acetone, make sure you're checking the ingredients list on the back. So here are your next steps. Take your ZIPLOCK baggie, open it up. Open up your coconut oil. Take your teaspoon measurement and put in some coconut oil. This is about how much I use. I don't put too much. It smells really good. Into your baggie. I put it in the corner because that's where my fingers are going to be resting. Next, take your acetone and pour some into your baggie. You can pour as little or as much as you want, but considering I already have coconut oil in here, it's going to slow down my removal a little bit because it's diluted my acetone with coconut oil, but I swear the coconut oil is going to save your fingers. You take your bowl of hot water, acetone baggie in the water, fingers in the baggie. You can seal up the baggie to prevent the amount of fumes that are coming out from the acetone into your face. That's what I like to do, and I just keep my fingers in the corner right here, making sure no acetone is coming out, and I just sit here until it's completely done. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes for my fingers to completely just melt away the dip powder, but if you're trying to speed up the process, you could always add like some little cotton pads, some paper towels, or you can even take a toothbrush. I recommend buying them from the dollar store, so you're not crying about spending $5 on a toothbrush. And every couple minutes you can go through and scrub your fingers with your toothbrush. And I would make that your acetone like removal dedicated toothbrush. Another option that a lot of people do is they just sit here and they rub their fingers the whole time. I like to do that. It just helps that every couple minutes you're making sure to scrape off whatever gooey stuff is currently on your fingers. All right, both hands are soaked off and they're ready for some filing and shaping. All right, that is it, you guys. So if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments box below. I will answer all of your questions, and make sure to hit subscribe so you can watch my next video, which is the Kiara Sky Liquids Reviewed test. Stay tuned.